The final case challenged the internment itself. Soon after she was evacuated in April 1942, Mitsui Endo, a 21-year-old Nisei and an employee of the California State Highway Commission, filed a petition for a habeas corpus, protesting her detention at Tobas Camp in central Utah. She spent 2.5 years awaiting the High Court's decision, which was then that she had been right. The government cannot detain loyal citizens against their will. Anticipating this ruling, the Army Western Defense Command had already announced that the mass exclusion orders in 1942 were being rescinded. Next, it was announced that all the camps would be closed within the coming 12 months and that internees now had the right to return to their former homes. In our family, the response to this news was hardly joyful. For one thing, we had no home to return to. Worse, the very thought of going home to the West Coast filled us with dread. What will they think of us, those who sent us here? How will they look at us? 3 years of wartime propaganda, racist headlines, atrocity movies, hate slogans, and fright mask posters had turned a Japanese face into something despicable and grotesque. Mama and Papa knew this. They had been reading the papers. Even I knew this, although it was not until many years later that I realized how bad things actually were.